The Coca-Cola Company was founded in 1886 by John Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia. The original recipe for Coca-Cola included coca leaves, which contained small amounts of the stimulant cocaine. The coca leaves were removed from the recipe in 1903. Coca-Cola is the most popular and biggest selling soft drink in history, as well as the best known brand in the world. The drink's name refers to two of its original ingredients, which were cola nuts and coca leaves. The iconic Coca-Cola logo was created by Pemberton's bookkeeper, Frank Mason Robinson, in 1887. The famous Coca-Cola slogan "The Pause That Refreshes" was coined in 1929. The Coca-Cola formula is a closely guarded trade secret, known only to a few select individuals within the company. The company operates in more than 200 countries, and the drink is sold in over 600,000 retail outlets worldwide. The company is also known for its innovative and successful marketing campaigns, such as the use of Santa Claus in advertising during the 1930s. Today, Coca-Cola offers more than 3,500 beverages worldwide, including Sprite, Fanta, and many more. The company's flagship product, Coca-Cola, is estimated to be consumed more than 1.9 billion times per day in over 200 countries. The Coca-Cola brand is valued at over $70 billion, making it one of the most valuable brands in the world. In addition to the original Coca-Cola, the company offers more than 500 brands, including diet and light versions, as well as fruit juices, sports drinks, and water. The company has a strong philanthropic arm, the Coca-Cola Foundation, which focuses on initiatives related to education, water, and community development. The company has faced criticism and controversy over the years, such as accusations of exploiting water resources in developing countries, and its marketing practices targeted to children. The company has also faced legal challenges, such as lawsuits over the alleged health risks of consuming its products. The company has made significant efforts to address sustainability issues, such as reducing its carbon footprint and increasing the use of renewable energy. The company has a long-standing partnership with the Olympics, having been a sponsor of the Games since 1928. The company has also partnered with various sports teams and events, such as FIFA World Cup and the NFL. The company has also acquired several other beverage brands, such as Minute Maid, Odwalla, and Honest Tea. In addition to the flagship Coca-Cola brand, the company owns several other popular beverage brands including Sprite, Fanta, Dasani, and Powerade. The company has a strong presence in the energy drink market through its acquisition of brands like Monster and Burn. The company has also expanded its offerings to include coffee and tea brands such as Georgia and Gold Peak. The company has a history of experimenting with different flavors and versions of its products. Some notable examples include New Coke, which was a reformulation of the original recipe that was not well received by customers, and Coca-Cola Black, a coffee-flavored version of the drink that was discontinued after a few years. The company has been involved in various marketing campaigns and initiatives over the years, including the famous Share a Coke campaign and the Coca-Cola Red campaign. The company has a strong presence in the movie industry. It has been involved in product placement and sponsorship deals with several movies and TV shows. The company has also invested in the digital space, with partnerships and initiatives such as the launch of a mobile game and the creation of a virtual vending machine on social media platforms. The company has been working on reducing the sugar content in its beverages, and is exploring alternative sweeteners such as stevia, as well as developing low and no-calorie options. The company has also been investing in recycling infrastructure as part of its sustainability efforts. The company also has its own museum, The World of Coca-Cola, in Atlanta, Georgia, which attracts millions of visitors every year. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comments, and subscribe for more videos.